Hello, I have for you today a ordinary pen from Montblanc. This is a platinum coated Meisterstuck Classique, one of the smallest pens that they make. I haven't gotten one like these before, so this is my first. I was quite curious to see how they were delivered. To my surprise, when you get them from the store directly, they come in a blister pack. And the blister pack is open at the store, the pen is checked, and then they pack it in this case. So there's nothing special, nothing unique about these instructions, service guide, or the case. It's just packed this way once you get the pen from the store out of the blister pack. So because this is a Classique, it's a cartridge pen or a converter pen, unlike something like this, which is closer to the Legrand. That is a piston fountain pen. Quite different in size, slightly different in length, but definitely feels night and day. Feels absolutely incredibly different. This pen, of course, being almost weightless. I've never been a fan of the regular pens that Montblanc makes. They feel quite, well, there's no other way of putting it, but incredibly overpriced. So the way that these pens work, because it is a cartridge pen or a converter pen, unlike the piston pens that have the end that screws off that allows you to add ink to the barrel, to the reservoir. These pens have either a cartridge sold separately or this type of converter that essentially acts the same way that the piston fountain pen would. You unscrew the back to pull up the ink. Very basic. So I haven't used this pen yet. I'm quite curious to know what it feels like to use such a small nib. For comparison, the Legrand would have a nib that's considerably larger. But it is quite a nice nib, given the gold accent on the edge. Of course, the cap. Montblanc stars, quite similar. The clip is the same. Of course, size is slightly different. I'm curious to see how this pen is going to stand up as a daily carry. The one that they had in the store as a display model had been scratched considerably, and I've never had a resin barrel pen, so we'll see how this precious resin stands up. So there you have it. That's what to expect from a Montblanc Classique platinum coated accent pen.